How to whiten your teeth with baking soda. Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to whiten your teeth with baking soda. Baking soda is a natural and affordable teeth whitener that has been used for centuries. It is slightly abrasive, which helps to remove surface stains from your teeth. It also has a high pH level, which can help to neutralize the acids in your mouth that can cause erosion and discoloration. To whiten your teeth with baking soda, simply mix a small amount of baking soda with water to form a paste. Apply the paste to your toothbrush and brush your teeth for 2 minutes. Be sure to rinse your mouth thoroughly afterward. You can use this method once or twice a day for up to 2 weeks. Here are some tips for whitening your teeth with baking soda. 1. Use a soft, bristled toothbrush to avoid damaging your enamel. 2. Be gentle when brushing your teeth and avoid overbrushing. 3. Rinse your mouth thoroughly after brushing to remove any baking soda residue. 4. If you have sensitive teeth, you may want to start by using baking soda once a week and gradually increase to twice a day. 5. If you experience any discomfort, stop using baking soda and consult with your dentist. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to whiten your teeth with baking soda. 1. Brush your teeth with your regular toothpaste to remove any food particles or plaque. 2. Mix a small amount of baking soda with water to form a paste. 3. Apply the paste to your toothbrush and brush your teeth for 2 minutes. 4. Be sure to brush all surfaces of your teeth, including the front, back, and inside surfaces. 5. Rinse your mouth thoroughly with water. You can also use baking soda to make a teeth-whitening mouthwash. To do this, simply mix a teaspoon of baking soda with a cup of warm water. Gargle with the mouthwash for 30 seconds, then spit it out. Be sure to rinse your mouth thoroughly with water afterward. It is important to note that baking soda is not a substitute for professional teeth whitening. If you're looking for more dramatic results, you may want to consider talking to your dentist about other teeth whitening options. Additional tips for whitening your teeth. 1. Avoid smoking and drinking coffee, tea, and red wine, as these can stain your teeth. 2. Eat a healthy diet and brush your teeth twice a day for 2 minutes each time. 3. See your dentist for regular checkups and cleanings. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more healthy lifestyle tips.